Welcome to State of the Laundry Industry with Laundry Matt, Episode 40, Scale Your Wash, Dry, and Fold Business by Freeing Up Your Time. As business owners, our most valuable resource is time. You can't scale your business if you are the one doing everything. So you want to let go of your daily tasks while maintaining quality. Mark Vlaskamp gave a speech at Coin Laundry Association's Wash, Dry, and Fold workshop, and he talked about how he scaled his business while maintaining quality controls, and he did this through the use of standard operating procedures, otherwise known as SOPs. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest trends on how to make your laundry business thrive. Mark Vlaskamp gave a great speech about creating an SOP, or standard operating procedures, for everything and how to outsource. And it's just a brilliant, brilliant speech because you could tell he lives by this motto. I mean, he is living embodiment of working so efficiently by outsourcing time. For example, say like an employee comes in late. Okay, how are you going to handle that? So he deals with it, and then after he deals with it, he creates a standard operating procedure. So next time it comes up, he doesn't even have to think about it. He has exactly what to do when that situation happens. And he does the SOP for everything, whether it's wash and fold, whether it's disciplinary actions, if an order gets mistaken or, switched with something else. So he has SOPs for everything. And you know what's really cool about that? It allows him to outsource. Because a lot of times if you're an operator, the business is in your head because you never took the time to write it all out. So while you're working at the laundromat or doing the pickup and delivery, it's really important that when a situation comes up, take the time to create standard operating procedures because you don't want to do that job forever. And it's great to outsource to others. And speaking of outsourcing, he outsources many jobs to the Philippines at $7 an hour. And because he has SOPs, that allows him to outsource because they could just follow the standard operating procedures. For example, with hiring, with writing an ad in Indeed. And he's done such a great job of doing this, he only goes to the laundromat once every 2 weeks. And I've talked to a number of laundry owners who have transformed from operators into business owners. And one of the ways they do that is by standard operating procedures. So if you do it, you could wind up spending less time at the laundromat and more time doing the revenue generating activities such as marketing and things like that. Outsourcing is so second nature for him that somebody from the audience said, "Hey, I outsource to the Philippines too." And Mark responded, "Okay, if anybody has questions on how to outsource to the Philippines, go ask him." And so in a way, he outsources questions to somebody in the audience. I mean, it is brilliant. And he does it in every single step of his operations, and that's allowed him to grow and scale his business. Kudos to him. If you're looking to get into wash and fold, pickup, and delivery, go to curbsidelaundries.com. See you next time.